Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if that interests you, please considering subscribing to my channel. Today I'm here to review for you another chocolatey product, and by the title of the video you already know we're talking about the Amul dark chocolate, and it's in the orange variant. So it looks something like this, and yeah, that's the packaging. That's a big ass size bar, you guys. That's really big, and this retails for rupees 125. It says that it is complete dark chocolate made from finest cocoa beans, and I think they also give some percentage of how much dark chocolate is in there. I'm not able to find that percentage over here. Yeah. For all the dark chocolate fans out there, guys, this video is for you, and this might turn out to be your favorite option. So keep watching the video if you want to know how this chocolate turns out to be. Before starting with the video, do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So let's get started with the review of this chocolate. So this chocolate, as mentioned, retails for rupees 125. It has a shelf life of 12 months. It is definitely in the orange flavor, and you can easily get this both online and offline. Amul has a nice brand presence, and I do not think you're gonna struggle finding this chocolate. This is more of available on the supermarkets, on the online supermarkets as well, such as Big Basket, etc. So yeah, you can get your hands on this chocolate both online and offline easily. This is pure wet chocolate, and now let's just open it to see how it turns out to be. Yeah, finally did it. So guys, that's how the chocolate looks. It comes in this big brown packaging, and it says tropical 3 on it. Yeah. Now I'm just gonna crack open this as well, and we're gonna taste it. So it looks like this. I'm just gonna take a piece of it. It looks really tempting and it smells very heavenly. So yes guys, that's the chocolate. I think that's orange crunches inside this. We'll taste it and find. Okay, I'm just gonna take a bite. So guys, this one was filled with orange, like filled with orange flavoring, orange chunks, and the dark chocolate at the same time, obviously. And yeah, it has good amount of orange flavor in it, and I really liked it. To my surprise, I am not a telling you about me. I am not a orange fan or a dark chocolate fan, not at all. I am more of a sweeter person, so I like sweeter chocolate and more of milkier chocolates. So I'm not a dark chocolate fan. Despite of that fact, I loved this chocolate. The combination of orange and chocolate is like a forever sexy combination, and it doesn't really go wrong, and it didn't go wrong this time as well. It was amazingly delicious and I loved it. I am not a dark chocolate fan, and that surprises me that I actually loved this chocolate so much. So if you are a dark chocolate fan, you definitely should try this one, and you're gonna love it. And yes, it's amazing. It's amazing, you guys. I do not think you'll be wasting your money if you buy this. You can definitely try this. You can use it for recipes if you want, or you can also use it for gifting purposes. It's holiday season, so yes, this is an amazing gifting option, and for any dark chocolate lover, this is a delight. On that note, I'm gonna give this dark chocolate a 3.5 stars. Yes guys, it deserves it, and if you are a dark chocolate fan, you're gonna love it. Also, just remember one thing: chocolate and orange is not a cup of tea for everyone. So there are chances that you might not like this flavor at all, but I personally loved it and enjoyed it. So, if at all you're a fan of the chocolate and orange combination, this chocolate is for you. But if you do not like this combination together, you can skip on this one. So, guys, that's it for today's video. Do let me know in the comments down below how did you like today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can connect with me on all my social media handles. The link for my social media handles would be given in the description box below. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.